Hello Isopod fans, we have a special unboxing today and oops, well I have a special story with this one. Wait till you hear this.
The Isopod vlog.
So here's the story, Isopod fans. I went to the site on Facebook called Roly Poly Auctions and Classifieds, and I found some wonderful isopods. I scooped them up. This was from Frank Loduca and was really hoping to see these in. That was last Monday. Monday he sent them. Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing came in. Thursday, nothing came in. Friday, nothing came in. By Saturday, we felt like there was a problem because it went from Missouri to Utah and sat in Utah for quite some time. Then Saturday, it shot over to Wisconsin and it sat at Wisconsin. Sunday was 4th of July. We waited, we hoped, crossed our fingers for Monday. Now, the one thing that really saved this whole process was that Frank used a cryo pack. The box came in Monday. I opened it. I didn't want to wait for the video. I opened it, and here's what we got. This first isopod is Porcellio ornatus, high yellow. This is probably one of my favorite isopods. I just absolutely love these. Let's go ahead and take a peek at these. I can see them moving around in here. I'm not going to pull them all out, but hopefully we can get a good view. Let's see if we can get a better light on these. Okay, hopefully with this better light we can see these guys running around. There's a bunch of them down there. They're just absolutely gorgeous. A nice brown color, just beautiful. I'll put these away. Our next isopod is going to be this next isopod is going to be Warneri. This is the Dubravnik, and again a 10 count plus was sent. Let's go ahead and take a peek with these, and there's one right on the very top as it crawls down below. I don't know if we're going to see many of these. Okay, hopefully we can see this group right here. Just a beautiful, beautiful animal. Lots and lots in here. I'm sure there's way more than 10. Thank you very much, Frank. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Cut this out. This next one I'm really excited about. I love the other ones, but this is the one that I was really looking forward to getting. And as you can see, this is Porcellio haasi. Now I have another form of this, the Porcellio haasi light. But this is just a great group of juvenile haasis. They get to be much larger than this. Just an unbelievable isopod, I think. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and put these away, and I'll see if I can show some pictures of these in their new enclosures. So once again, I want to thank Frank Loduca for these wonderful isopods. I want to make a shout out to that site again. It's the Roly Poly Auctions and Classifieds. Thanks for watching, Isopod fans. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, throw that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And make sure you hit the notification all so you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching.